JVIZ Strategic Roadmap is a unique Power BI visual that can be used to organize projects or tasks in a traditional Kanban view. You can also use JVIZ Strategic Roadmap to organize goals, objectives, and initiatives. Setting up the visual is simple and only requires adding your task cards, swim lane categories, and list bucket categories. JVIZ Strategic Roadmap offers several visual formatting options, such as adjusting the card height, background color, and sort order. You can also choose to display the progress bar on each card and adjust the progress bar height and bar padding. Quickly customize styling of swim lanes by adjusting the width, border radius, sort order, and background color for all categories or individual categories. The list columns in the strategic roadmap can easily be adjusted, such as modifying background color, list height, border radius, and padding. You can even choose to sort your list buckets in ascending or descending order. With JVIZ Strategic Roadmap, quickly organize your goals and tasks to visually tell your data story. Why wait? Try JVIZ Strategic Roadmap free today in Microsoft App Stores and be ready to captivate your audience with an informative visualization.